Okay, so today I'm doing the whole of the Triforce Cup, but I have to solve a Rubik's Cube before each race. 150cc, no items but coins, hard CPU, and then I don't know how long this is going to take, so we're going to do 48 races. Okay, now I'll scramble this. Trying to get the first one. Yeah, I'll do them in order. Okay. First attempt at Wario's gold mine, but I have to solve a Rubik's Cube beforehand. Going for blue cross, I think. This. Three, two, one, go. Okay. Alright, the CPUs are not going to wait for us. Not me. Okay, nice PLL skip there. I might win now. Don't know. Oh, maybe not if my driving is this bad. Okay, first couple of overtakes. I'm going to go here for coins. Don't know if that... Oh, did. Okay, overtake. Thought Waluigi was going to overtake me again. This might be too easy. I already tried this once before. There were tons of problems with it though. My hands weren't in the shot when I was doing the solve, and then my commentary was rubbish. But this time hopefully it will be better. And I had to go and get lunch in the middle of it. I think I've won this first one. But Rainbow Road will be a lot more difficult. Rainbow Road and Ice Outpost probably two worst ones. Not as in they're bad tracks, but they're just hard in this. Because I'm rubbish at the shortcut in... Oh gosh, what's happening? The shortcut in Ice Outpost, and then there isn't a lot of stuff that's easy to do in Rainbow Road on 150. I don't like playing 200. It's too fast. Believe it or not, it's too fast. Okay, that's the first one down. I don't want this to be a 12-minute video. Yeah, okay, that's back in focus. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to win the next race. Hopefully. That'd be nice. Okay. Rainbow Road. I've tried this with items, it's way too easy. Because you just get all the good items at the back. That's why bagging is a good strategy. I'll get this more in focus. Oh, that was bad, okay. Okay. So yeah, I've already done this whole thing. this was one of the harder ones. Because it's just all just flat road with just... There's not a lot I can do to get to first place and win very easily. Getting the tricks and drifts and coins that the CPUs miss. That's about it. This track is very difficult. And the pack is quite spread out. Like the main racing pack is quite spread out. See, oh no, I wasn't paying attention. Looking at the map. So okay. What? I thought he got squashed. Okay. Anyway, yeah, the pack is quite spread out. So I'm in 9th. On Warriors Gold Mine, when I was 9th, I was probably could see who was in 1st. But here, no, not at all. How's Lemmy in 1st? He was losing last time. Good for him that he's 1st. I don't know if I'm going to make it. Oh, okay. Kind of saved me there. But I have not won. Okay. 3rd doesn't count. I just have to get 1st. So it's kind of a brutal challenge, to be honest. I was just trying to refocus it. Can it refocus? I don't know. So I have to try that again. While that's loading, I will look at this. Try and figure out what I'm going to do. Okay. I have an idea. A green cross, probably. 2, 1, go. Oh, yeah. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. Okay. I am by no means the best Rubik's Cube solver, or 3x3 solver in the world. That would be Yiheng Wang. But I like this and Mario Kart. I'm also not the best Mario Kart player in the world, but I have no idea who that is. I'm just going to say Shortcat, because I've heard of him. So yeah, according to me, Shortcat's the best. Okay. Hope I don't get squished. Oh, 5th. I'm doing a lot better than I thought. Should I go for the jump? I'm going to go for it. No, I fell off. Oh. Okay, it's fine. I've got another lap. Okay, I think I've won this. Hopefully. Did he get squished? Oh no, he didn't. Who was that? Did he fell off? Oh gosh. This is meant to be hard, CPU. Oh no. Okay, at least I got 2 more races to do this with. The main reason Ice Outpost is so difficult is because I don't know any of the shortcuts. I know the shortcuts, but I'm just really bad at them. Okay, now time for Ice Outpost. Do I... The toads are so annoying on this one. It makes me lose focus so easily. Well, everything makes me lose focus easily, but you know, there's just high pitch. That wasn't very high pitched, actually. But being great with collecting coins so far. Oh, I thought I was going to hit the fence. Oh no, oh. I was okay, I somehow overtook someone there. And there, okay. Who is that? Cat Peach. Okay. Yeah, so that bit of the 3-part shortcut I don't know how to do. I know how to do the second bit, but I don't know how to do the first bit or the last bit. So this track is very difficult. Especially in this challenge. Should I go for it? I'm going for it. Right, as I said, I couldn't do it. There we go. Oh, what's happening? Okay. And I immediately lost everything that I gained from that, because I drifted the wrong way. Well, how am I not on 10 coins yet? That is ridiculous. Okay. Well, hopefully I can get first from 7th, I'm not sure. Because, oh, they didn't, okay. Lots of the CPUs take that shortcut. Which makes me think it's a very good shortcut. I mean, it probably is a good shortcut. I mean, if it's a shortcut at all, it would be good to take. I mean, I don't know how to do it consistently. Well, at least the second part I can do more consistently, but... oh, it's going to be close. I'm going to have to go for it. No, I'm not. Okay. Yeah, no, I didn't win. That's okay. Start the next race with more coins. Oh yeah, I don't think I said I'm not allowed to do badly on purpose in order to get more coins to start with the next round. So I have absolutely no excuse for doing badly. Just kinda good, kinda bad. I'm not really sure. I kinda got this idea from the can I finish Rainbow Road after solving, I think it was 5 Rubik's Cubes that J Plum did. And I just thought, that is amazing. I am nowhere near good enough to do that. And then I saw the ice boat racing, but I give the players a 20-second head start by New Kiddo. So I thought, takes me about 20 seconds to do a Rubik's Cube. But maybe like I don't know, the range probably like 17 to like 26 seconds to do it. That's a pretty good head start to give. So I tried it. I thought I was only going to do SNES Rainbow Road, but I tried it without coins first, actually, and it was very, very difficult. So I'm doing the whole Triforce Cup with coins, because then I tried it and it was too easy. So I had to find some sort of balance. This is a pretty good balance. I mean, the one with no coins was just coming like, I don't know, 4th consistently, or something like that. I definitely wasn't coming first consistently at all. I think I was coming like 4th or 5th consistently. Can I win from here? I don't know. Oh, maybe I'm in 4th. That's pretty good. Okay, shortcut that Lemmy didn't go for, so... How's that not second? Okay, there we go, second. Who's in first? I can't see, I think it's Baby Mario. Oh, I missed the drift. Okay. Oh, no. Oh. I got distracted looking at the map. No, it's not Lemmy, it's Iggy. Okay. There's one mystery out of the way. Now I just gotta... Oh, focus. There we go. Now I just gotta actually... Not Iggy, Larry. Okay. I know names of Mario characters. This challenge is proving a lot harder to be... Proving to be a lot harder than I thought it was. Originally. I was probably in the middle of saying something. I've completely forgotten. Where is that? Oh, I'll just do this one. Okay. Get away from these screaming toads. I'm trying to do commentary, but I can't think of anything to say. 10th, that's good. Okay. I'm going to try the shortcut here. Way too far out. Nope, nope. Okay. Can I... Oh, what was that? I thought I was going to drift there. Okay. Intense focus mode. Please. Okay, that didn't work. I don't think I've got this. Okay, drop piece. But I've absolutely wasted it. Okay. Okay, that is Iggy. Okay. Oh. Okay. 4th. Apparently. Can I win it from 4th? Not long left of the race. Hopefully. Okay. 3rd. No, just. Oof. Yeah, ISO outpost is definitely the harder one. Focus? There we go. It's green or orange. I was looking at the green there. I was just looking at the orange there, saw the orange there, and I thought, that's... Okay, that's that one. I was going to try and do something during the race, but the challenge is already hard enough. I don't need to do something else. I was going to try and explain how to solve a Rubik's Cube mid-race, but I don't think that's going to work. Oh, what am I doing? Go, 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 go. I messed up that last time. How long until I overtake someone? That's kind of telling to how easy a race is going to be. In this format at least, but with the Rubik's Cube. But if it's a very spread out pack like Rainbow Road is, you know, you could overtake someone after like 3 seconds, and then, maybe not 3 seconds, but you know, you could overtake someone quickly and then first is a lap ahead of you. Excuse me, there we go. Ooh, okay, that was close. Almost went off the edge there. Literally sitting on the fence. I've still got another race after this. If I even complete it. I've got another race after this anyway, after this race. Okay. Someone just took all my coins. I didn't need them, I'm already at 10. But, would be nice. Okay. Okay. Go, 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 yes! Yes! Only one more track. How have I just thought of this? I'll put an attempt counter, like, where is it? Oh, there, or there. Hopefully, if I figure out how to do it. I shouldn't have scrambled that more. Anyway. I'll go with it. Oh, what is this? Okay. Oh gosh, okay. I'm not winning this one. That was horrendous F2L. I don't even know if that was in shot. Maybe it's good if I didn't win that one. Yeah, maybe it's good if I don't win this one, because I don't know if the cube was in shot. I'll just go tight, because I don't think I'll get the mystical sort. Oh, okay. How did I have enough speed to trick there? Maybe I just got the right timing. Oot. Last time I did Hyrule Circuit in one attempt, which was crazy because it was my first time actually doing it. Okay, and I've gotten to the grass. Okay. I don't think I'm going to get Hyrule Circuit in one attempt this time. It was crazy though, because it was my first time doing Hyrule Circuit, but I have to solve a cube first, so... But who knows, I've still got a lap to go, and if I get this, that's good. Should I try the shortcut? I don't really know it. Okay, there we go. Didn't get it, but it's still a shortcut, because I got to 4th. 3rd, 2nd. Okay, now I just gotta not mess up. easier said than done, but, oh no, okay. Maybe Hyrule Circuit's just easy for this format. I don't know. Maybe I got lucky scrambles. Maybe... Oh, I don't think I've ever done that well. Okay. Normally I hit the wall. Okay. Yes, first attempt. I didn't think I was going to do that. That's good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Like, subscribe down below. Comment what Rubik's Cube related challenges you want to see me try next. My friend suggested doing Geometry Dash, but I'm not that good at Geometry Dash. I saw the guy doing it like one-handed and doing Geometry Dash with the same hand, which was crazy, but I'm not that good at either of them to be able to do that. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.